What's the meaning of contingently? Contingently. Contingently.
Contingently. Contingently. Contingently means that something is dependent on certain conditions or circumstances. It suggests that the outcome or result of a situation is not certain or predetermined, and may change based on various factors. For example, if a person's employment is contingent on passing a drug test, their job offer may be revoked if they fail the test. This term implies that there is a level of uncertainty or risk involved in the situation, and that the final outcome is not guaranteed. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider the potential consequences before making any decisions.